you are dating a partner who give you business advices all the time, you are very lucky, because other people, they don't care. They think about sex only, to have sex with you all the time. Maybe their conversation is about sex every time. It's not about sex every time. When you are in relationship, you have to look at your conversation with your partner, especially men. When you saw a man doesn't have serious conversation with you, or maybe to give you some of the advices, you have to know that person is not serious with you, or that man, he doesn't love you. So sometimes when you have got a partner, maybe you are together most of the time. Yes, there is time when you have got romance, you are romantic, everything. We are discussing about romance. There is time when you are discussing about life. Even that person is not going to marry you, but to give you encourage, or to advise you that you have to do this business. Maybe you can make money, because I saw other people, they are making money on that business. One, two, three. Maybe your partner saw that you are a business person, can give you some of advices. You understand? You have to know that you are dating the right person. It's not about being in relationship. It's about sex every time. No, it's not about sex. Some of the things are very serious, sensitive, because after sex, we have got life. We want to eat, we want to wear clothes, we want to bath. You understand? So sometimes, guys, when you are dating a person who is giving you advices about business, what, you are very lucky, guys, because other people, guys, when you saw a partner who doesn't discuss serious things with you, or to give you some of the other advices, you understand, that person is not even with other people, they are not serious even with their lives, guys. You are dating a person who doesn't care about his life or her life. Only that person think it's about enjoying, go out, enjoy the life, drinking beer, to buy bottles every weekend, a cooler box of of alcohol every time, doesn't give you advices. All, guys, sometimes you have to know the person you are dating, that sometimes you have to have serious discussion. Other people, guys, only they think it's about to sleep, to have sex only. Yes, sex is very important, but after sex, we want to eat, we have life, guys. You understand? It's not about life, sex only. Other people, they think about sex only. No, it's not about that. You understand? After, because the guys, after that, we have got life. Maybe you saw that maybe your life, your partner changed your life because of the advice, not of money. Maybe he doesn't give you money, but he gave the big thing to the important thing, guys. It's advice than a person who gives you money.